Hello everyone, hello Capricorn, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your reading for career, business, money, 27 July to 2nd August. So let us see Capris, what is in store for you here. Eight of Cups. So we'll find out. You are moving away from difficult situations. You are moving away from certain situations. Some of you are moving away from difficult situation. Maybe you are leaving a job, you are leaving a business partnership. Then this is for some of you. It's a general reading. It might resonate with a few of you or most of you, but take whatever resonates. So you are leaving a situation, what I see here with this Eight of Cups energy. And let's see what the other cards have to say here. Nine of Cups. So some of you Capris, you have really been working hard and you are emotionally, money appeals to you more now. You are working out on monetary developments with full focus and giving your full time to that. You are feeling great. You are seeing that your investments giving you returns. You can see your future, with financial, the kind of financial abundance that you see for yourself. And some of you are also leading a colorful life, like you are self-love. You are buying stuff for yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you are partying with friends, you are meeting up friends, you're having a good time, lunch, dinner, all these things you are indulging in, Capri. This is for again some of you here. Let me see. Three of Cups. Celebration. So you are with this Nine of Cups energy, you are celebrating partnership, you are celebrating new associations, you are celebrating new job for some of you, or a good news, but there is definitely a celebration. There is a cause for a celebration here for some of you. Maybe there may be monetary development that calls for this celebration, but you should look into solving the small issues, the nitty-gritty of your finances. There has to be sorted out. Just don't be in celebrative mode, because you have been working hard for so long from your recent past here. Let's see. It was just an advice coming through. Six of Cups. You have associations, partnership coming from your old friends. They could be of help, or you could be working back in the company which you had worked earlier. So something related to your past is coming in this week here, which is going to help you with your career, business and money situation too. Maybe of money you invested in your past is giving you handsome returns now. So that is what I feel with Six of Cups here. So beautiful card, Capricorn. Okay, Nine of Swords. This I feel with all these 3-4 cards coming, some of you still having restless sleepless nights regarding thinking about the future. So basically you have to sort out your issues, pending issues, and you have to taxation issues, or legal issues. If there are any pending issues should be sorted out. This will get fine. Nine of Swords you will come out of this Nine of Swords energy then. So this is what I feel. It doesn't look that great because all other cards looks to be good. And this could be again for some of you. Legal issues need to be taken care of, and whatever pending issues need to be sorted out. So this is what Capricorn for this week. I will just pull out an angel guidance card here, and it will help you sail smoothly this week. Okay, Battle of the Blues. Take steps towards positive change. So if things it is this card of battle, so you go towards positivity. I think for people who are in this Nine of Swords energy or Eight of Pentacle energy, they means it's a general message for all Capricornians that towards positive change you take steps, and you will see that you will move in the right direction with this card. So thank you, Capricorn. This is it for this week. If you do like, put a thumbs up in the like button, and do subscribe to my channel. All the best, and see you in the next reading.